we'll guide you through how to determine the shipping time for your orders with Printful. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printful website. Once you're there, log in to your account. After logging in, head over to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Orders tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your current and past orders. Select the specific order you want to check the shipping time for. When you click on the order, you'll find detailed information, including the status and estimated shipping time. Look for the Estimated Delivery Date section. This will give you an idea of when your order is expected to arrive. Keep in mind that the shipping time can vary depending on several factors like your location, the production time, and the shipping method you've chosen. If you need more precise details or if there's any delay, you can reach out to Printful's customer support for assistance. They can provide more tailored information regarding your order. Also, remember that you can often find tracking information within the same order details page once the order has been shipped. This will give you real-time updates on where your package is. So, by following these steps, you can easily determine when your Printful order will arrive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.